Let's watch this short clip of VeryDarkMan. We'll come back to explain what the law provides in this situation.
Today, there's a court order on the AIG, against the AIG of Zone 2, Ahmed Tajuddin. Jimo Moshood, AIG Jimo Moshood. This man declared somebody wanted, conspired with some persons to commit murder on an innocent man. And today there's an order that he should apologize to this man. He was very quick to declare a man wanted without proper investigation. It is simple. You were so quick to declare him wanted, you are wasting time to apologize to him.
VeryDarkMan is protesting to enforce the judgment of a court. Let's say you went to court, and after several years, you finally won. Now the court has given judgment in your favor. How do you enforce the judgment of that court? In this situation, where VeryDarkMan is protesting because the court has ordered a police officer to apologize for wrongly declaring a person wanted, the law allows that person who is successful in court to bring contempt proceedings against that particular police officer. For instance, as the court has ordered that the police officer should apologize for unlawfully declaring somebody wanted, where the police officer refuses to obey the judgment of that court, the winning party can go back to court and apply for contempt proceedings against that police officer to commit that police officer to prison. So you see, it's not enough to gather people to protest and ask the police officer to obey the judgment of the court. The law has provided a procedure to enforce the judgment of that court. So if a court gives an order and the losing party fails to obey the order of the court, the winning party can commit the losing party to prison. While protest is a constitutional right, protest is not one of the means to enforce the judgment of a court. If a party has refused to obey the order or judgment of a court, you go back to that same court and apply for contempt proceedings so that the losing party will come and show cause while he or she will not be committed to prison. It's not enough to win a case in court. It is also important that you know how to enforce the judgment of a court. Because if you don't know how to enforce the judgment of a court, you can win a case in court and not know how to reap the fruits of that judgment. I hope you find this insightful and helpful. Keep watching Law Synopsis. I will see you in the next episode.